Because,
No,
break na eh.
that's happened birds to my niece in London a few months ago.
what if, you know?
Yeah.
Nakatakot din yan. Uy.
Oh yeah, she said it's very scary.
Ah.
It is very scary. And then they use
Yeah.
the long runway so that they have enough time to stop. But in Reagan, it's too short. And if they cannot stop the plane, they're gonna go to the water.
Kain tayo mga kaibigan.
Scary talaga mga kaibigan. Basta ano.
Kakatakot yan. Te.
Matakot.
So Reagan just has small planes, so it can't land the big plane. Huh.
The runway is
Okay.
shorter.
Yeah.
Dallas is longer because it uses big plane from international, you know.
That's why when the Concorde used to
Meron
fly
sasawan
here, it
ditong
used to go
suka.
to Dulles.
Pero, tama na siya.
The Concorde used to fly over.
Parang yung kanin natin na mais, kulang lang.
In the morning, we'd always see the Concorde go over.
Yeah. The Concorde retired
That
back
was
in...
decades ago.
Decades. Many
Yeah.
decades ago.
How many hours from here to London with the Concorde? 4 hours?
Fast, yeah. It was pretty fast.
That was something. That plane.
Maganda ang crabs dito sa, ano to nito? Main crabs ba to? Main crabs? Maryland? Harap ng Maryland crabs, oh.
Hindi nga mataba. Hindi
Hindi
pa
pa na sa season.
Yeah, Maryland is famous for crabs.
Hindi siya season ngayon?
Oh, di ulang ka siguro. Dahil uban natambong na
I don't think I've ever been to Maryland Beach.
Yeah.
Ocean City?
Ocean City.
Yeah,
And Rehoboth, New Jersey.
right.
We used to go there all the time.
Kain tayo mga kaibigan. Ganito, kamayin talaga ito ng todo.
And we'd go up to Atlantic City for the day with excitement.
We went to Atlantic City.
Yung ibang kamay.
We took the bus.
Anuin ko yung ibang kamay.
They have gambling there now. They didn't used to a long time ago.
Babalikan ko yung ibang kamay niya. Ang ganitong
Some of the casinos are really pretty.
You tell me
crabs,
about
masarap
that,
siyang gawa ng
MGM?
gataan ba? Ganito, oh. Malunggay.
They went to MGM Day.
Ah,
And
did they win?
they won, but they lost.
And then they won again.
Oh, for real?
Delma, yeah.
Oh, wow. That's the trick.
Yeah, she won $100 and lost $100, then won $100.
Oh, good. Came back. It
Nakabawi.
bumawi. Yeah, nakabawi yung ano niya.
My friend went there. The first time they opened the casino,
Ayan, oh.
she won 1,500.
Wow.
Oh, wow. Laki.
And then she left. She did not.
Tiyo, kalahati-hati tayo. Kaya wala na yung kanin.
Naubos na to.
Naubos ang kanin. Oh, atin, may kanin pa dyan?
Oh, kuha na ni oh.
Wala na. Okay na ko.
Kanin na humay, gusto ka?
No. Hindi na ako magkanin ng humay. Ito.
Palay ba? Palay. Palay na.
Yeah. Tama na ha. Ang dukot na ha?
Rich, I'll show you what I did to the bedroom.
Hindi mo makaano ko ha?
Oh, okay.
Instead of
Sige, ti, ano natin, te?
instead of I'm looking for
Awag natin, baka masira yung ano mo.
I know, I saw a brass one, but they said it wasn't for sale.
No, I don't want
Iswak mo na lang.
You don't?
I put the mirror.
In Maryland loves crab.
Then you can wake up in the morning and see what you look like in your first
Yeah, no. They said beauty rest, but I don't think so. But there is very peaceful and very quiet, except for the
Plain.
no, except for the resident that lives upstairs. You can hear the it don't bother me because once I'm tired.
Right.
Sarap ng ulan namin crabs mga kaibigan. Oh.
Sarap mga kaibigan. Salamat dahil sa pagluto mo sa crabs na may
Salamat.
matapay. Ang sarap talaga. Naubos natin yung mais dahil? Oh my God.
Naubos
You
natin.
want a plate?
Naubos namin dalawa. Oh my God, kami
You
lang.
want a plate?
Nako. Okay lang.
No, I got little plates over there.
The one that
Okay,
much
okay.
did it?
Yeah.
No, Richard, I got it.
Kami lang kumain ni Inday, oh.
Kami lang nakaubos sa mais ng isang buyag. Tilok pa
Puwera
dyan.
usok, puwera usok.
Gusto mo to?
Yes.
Kuya Buyag.
Tatlo yung nakain kong
At tatlo na?
drumstick din.
Uy! That's good.
Grabe.
Sarap yan.
There, you got it.
Oh, nice. Ano kati? Yung ano, oh? Tinapay?
I'm so full. Thank you. Tomorrow.
Hala, ang sarap
Hinatid
nito.
ka ni Mike sa airport?
Dito din, mami. Nagpark sa parking lot.
Ah, okay.
Parking garage.
Okay.
Thank you, cooks. Everything was delicious.
No, thanks, Jackie.
No.
You're the best.
Thank you, Jackie. Very good.
Well, all I did was sit and watch.
She got the
She did her hair so pretty.
I,
And her hair, and then it matches with her earrings.
Yeah.
She always said that. And if she wear blue, the earrings is blue and everything's blue.
Oh, wow, much. Oh,
Mhm.
And she bought me the most beautiful brooch and earrings.
Yeah, because I know she loves blue.
Yeah,
No, ipalit mo sa
it's
akin.
really pretty.
I brought, but 3.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. Because we eat snack in the airport. I
So,
Ingrid,
I didn't know that we could
When I
eat.
saw
We
that
got
Jackie, I
bananas and
thought
we got
about
jackfruit.
you.
Kain tayo mga kabigang.
We have bananas and jackfruit. You know what you can do with that?
Yeah, no,
Turon.
Ah, yeah.
Turon.
no, no.
You love it too? You like turon?
What's that?
Turon. The lumpia.
Right, lumpia.
Right.
Yeah. Of course.
I used to make it all the time before, but no, it's too much work.
Scott
Yeah.
twins love those.
Aha.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't like it anymore. I like
They
it.
graduated from college.
You like it?
Ah,
but
yeah.
if Somebody
I
will
Time
remember
flies.
when we were
We'll
just
make it.
teenagers.
I know.
Yeah.
My-
Somebody will make it.
Nakadi kong kulamian sa kabayan.
Time goes by so
Oh,
fast.
lumpia.
Very choir
Oh,
country.
you should have heard what she told me today.
Pakwell?
No, later.
Pakwire country. County. Pukir? Pukwell.
Fuck year.
Fakir country.
That's a weird name.
Yeah, this county, right? Its the pronunciation is very.
Mm.
Yeah,
That's the name of the county?
It's named after Sir Francis Fauquier from England.
Fakir.
Mm.
Fokir. No, Fokir.
Fauquier.
Oh, I got it right now. I think read Fokir. See?
Good job.
Mabuang sa pronunciation ba?
A lot of Virginia, like Prince William County, it's named after Prince William.
Right.
It's like Prince.
Royal-
Fairfax was named after a person too.
One of my favorite in Dan. Crabs. Oo.
I wonder if Lana
Sarap
Chandler
talaga mga
Ang
kaibigan.
harap.
Masarap talaga mga
I don't
kaibigan.
think so.
That's an
Nag-ano sila dito, bumili ng crabs.
Yeah. It
So,
probably
Madi,
came from something in Europe.
176
Yeah.
for two dozen?
Oh.
Oh.
Divide mo ba sa pila ka buok ba? Sa tagpila sa $7, right?
$7 each?
We divide it for
O mga kaibigan,
Oh,
$7.
yeah.
Wow.
7.5.
Kainin talaga namin ito lahat, pati yung
These are
hasang.
jumbo. These are jumbo ones.
Wow.
Oh gosh.
They're good size.
Just the name, but the inside is like hollow.
We never caught ones that big.
You know what is the good one? The king crabs, the crab legs.
Oh,
Yes.
I like the crab legs.
Crab
Those
legs
are
is
good. I love those.
is worth it.
Yeah, that one.
The crab legs.
I've
You-
never heard of it, yeah.
Oh,
Yes, you have.
What?
That's what they have at Captain George's.
Yeah, Captain
Oh,
George.
oh, I
Yeah,
like
that
Captain
one.
George's. Yes,
that one. And then you dip
Ate,
it
ilan
with...
ng crabs mo? Isa lang?
yeah.
Dalawa, dalawa.
Oh, dalawa.
You crack it, and then you pull it, and then you dip it in a lemon with butter.
Sarap ng crabs.
See, if they stay longer,
Naubos
we could
talaga
do
yung isang
something like that. Go to Captain George's.
Platong, ano
Well,
mga
but
kaibigan
maybe-
kanin.
Captain
Yeah.
George's is terrible.
Oh, no, there's one in Williamsburg. That's closer.
Pupunta kami bukas sa Cueva.
Yeah, we can do that. And then we
The
can
three
go
of
to
us-
Lavender.
The three of us went down
When
there.
is your flight
for the day.
going back, guys?
Sa'yo daw ilaha 3 o'clock.
Ay, patsi.
Yeah, 3.
That's why they need to come here for more than a weekend.
Yeah.
You took me for my birthday one time, too.
Yeah, that's what I was telling her.
Yeah,
You, me, and Ingrid went down.
yeah.
Saan yan, te?
It was so good.
Ano yan?
Williamsburg.
They even have baklava
Buffet.
for dessert.
Buffet.
Ah,
Oh, me too.
Yeah.
I love baklava.
buffet of seafood?
Yeah. Oh my God.
No, akong gibutan kami.
You can,
Crabs?
Maay lobster dahil.
Okay.
Di ka ganang lobster?
Gusto ko yan.
Have you heard?
Kahit ano, gusto ko yung mga clams, ganyan.
39. It's
That was a
down 50.
long time
Yeah.
ago, Mom.
What is
Last
it
I
now?
heard was,
Oh, day oh.
I think it's
Day oh.
75 now.
They have
Ano yan?
Oh, wow.